If you're a creator and you're not using these AI tools, you're working too hard. Let's go.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got 5 free AI tools you should try in 2025. Tools that help with writing, visuals, voice, and more. Let's go. First up, Copy AI. It's a flexible writing assistant that helps you generate blog intros, social media posts, email copy fast. The free tier gives you a decent number of words per month to experiment. It's great when you're stuck on wording or need inspiration. Tool 2, WriteR. WriteR gives structure. You pick the format, blog, listicle, ad, etc., and the tone, then it generates. It's especially helpful when you want a quick first draft to polish. Tool 3, Microsoft Designer. Think of it as a Canva alternative with built-in AI magic. You enter prompts or images and it helps generate visuals, templates, and design ideas automatically. For creators who need visuals but don't have a designer, this is gold. Fourth, Piktochart AI Carousel Maker. If your content strategy includes Instagram or LinkedIn carousels, this tool can generate a slide deck based on text prompt plus template. It automates layout and gives you editable graphics ready to post. Last but not least, 15.ai. This one's fun. It lets you generate speech, voiceovers in the voice of characters with emotional inflections. Free to use and great when you want unique voice clips or narrations in your videos. And that's your list. 5 AI tools, besides the usual ones, that content creators in 2025 should try. Comment below which one you'll test first, or drop your own favorite. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe, and see you next time.